I'm so angry. I am going to teach them lesson they will never forget. I am number one go-kart racer in the United States. Hey.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the first ever Noor Kids all team meeting. Inshallah, it's gonna be a ton of fun. Let's start by taking attendance. Hassan?
Here.
Mr. Amin? I am present. Shireen? Amin? Mr. Hassan? Where's Mr. Hassan?
I think we should stand up. Hello? No, you said to Elon he needs to pay me for the design. Cybertruck was my design. I don't care if the public thinks it's ugly. I think ugly too, but that's what he wants. He needs to pay now. Hello? Sorry everyone, I had big delay. You know I'm busy, important guys. Sorry I'm late, but now don't be sad. You can be happy. Mr. Hassan, is over here.
Alhamdulillah, I'm so glad you're all here. Now, our first activity that we're doing is show and tell. When I was a kid, I loved show and tell, and it's a chance for all of us to get to know each other a little bit better. Inshallah, it'll be fun. Who wants to go first?
Did you get a gold star in your class?
You're a smart one.
That is really good. MashaAllah. You think that is smart? No. I am the smart one. I am more as smart than him. I am doing the maths since I was in the stomach of my mom.
How is that even possible?
Look, I have proof. Trophy. Most fast maths in the stomach of a mom ever in Guinness history.
Look, now you've made this little boy cry. Look at what you've done, man.
No, please don't cry. I have something that will cheer him up.
Are you ready for your turn for show and tell?
Oh, yes, I am ready. Many of you know, I am very viral guy on Noor Kids channel. Because that also my laundromat business, you know laundromat, it is going sky high business revenue, very good business. And now many celebrity, many business owner, many, Warren Buffett, the Tom Brady, they are calling me asking for the advice. My peer looks. Thank you, I handsome, yep, that's right, thank you very much. So basically I thought, my generous guy, I am like Oprah generous, I will give you all one gift that is a priceless number one gift ever.
What is something that money cannot buy?
Okay, you are ready? Now you're smiling, huh? I brought you a photo of me. This one day, as I am growing in popularity, it is going to become priceless and I am going to sign for you. Shreen, stop clapping. This is not something to be happy about. He's fooling us.
Okay, does anyone else have anything that they'd like to show and tell?
I have something.
Okay.
So you guys know I love superheroes. This is Superman, but this is a first edition. I just got it. It's really rare and I'm so proud of it.
Wow, Hassan Jeetero, man, that is so good. It is such a good one and it's so perfect in the red and the yellow and the first edition. Mashallah, shabash.
I think everyone needs to chill out. This is not special. It is not even real Superman.
I mean, it is a first edition Superman action figure. That's pretty rare. I think it's pretty cool.
Oh yeah? I will show you something better. Why is he gonna try and one-up everything? I will show you something better.
I don't know. Are you serious? I cannot believe this. On that note, I think we need to take a 15-minute break.
You are more handsome than Ronald Reagan. You are more generous than the Oprah Winfrey.
What are you talking about?
You are standing here the whole time?
Mr. Hassan, what in the world has gotten into you, dude?
I'm the best, so I'm saying to myself, I'm the best. That's it. It's normal.
Mr. Hassan, I don't know if you realize this, but right now, you've been bragging a lot. Nobody likes to be around someone who brags.
Brother Amin, thank you. I want you to know this is not bragging. I'm just saying truth.
Realize it's arrogance. Bragging, that's what turned Iblis into Shaitan.
You are calling me Shaitan? I'm not shaitan. I'm opposite of shaitan.
Do you even realize what the opposite of shaitan would be?
Okay, I am good guy.
Oh my goodness, and there's this.
And the yellow, there's... Isn't everyone going to stand up? Hello, where is everyone going? Who goes it? I don't need them anyways. How they can say that? I am number one go-kart racer in the United States. You know Michael Schumacher, Ayrton Senna, Lewis Hamilton? I trained them. Mario Andretti, that's my student. I'm so angry. I am going to teach them lesson they will never forget.
You guys, wasn't that incredible? We were going so fast. Amin, I'm really proud of you, buddy. That was awesome. It was going so fast.
Hey, what is going on here?
Mr. Hassan, what are you doing here, dude?
Hey, you think I am fool? I saw the paper. You did not invite me?
Mr. Hassan, I told you already. Nobody likes someone who brags.
But go-kart, this is, I am number one. You see my crown? This is go-kart crown. King of go-kart.
Whether you are the king of go-kart or the queen of go-kart, Mr. Hassan, the truth is you can't brag so much. Nobody likes it.
Hey, Shireen, you stop that. You are not so cute as you look. You know that?
Mr. Hassan, you need to check yourself, dude. You're making a little girl cry. What's gotten into you?
That is not the only little one I will make cry. I will make you cry.
You need to calm down. What are you suggesting?
I challenge you to a race. Whoever wins the race becomes CEO of Noor Kid.
And what if you lose?
Then you can do anything you want with me.
Anything.
Anything.
All right, you've got a deal. We're doing the first ever Noor Kids Grand Prix, and it's gonna be a doozy.
Now, you guys have heard of Monaco Grand Prix, maybe. Maybe you've heard of the Indy 500. None of it compares to what's gonna go down today. And what's at stake? The leadership of the entire company, I'll tell you.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Officer Louisiana with my friend Larry. Today's been interesting. It started as a company retreat, and it has ended up being a battle of the Titans.
Green means go. The moment that light turns green, the race is off and they're running. Now, how about we get over there down to the track?
These guys are fast. This is not your grandmother's go-kart. These things go over 40 miles an hour. I tell you what, I might have to give one of them a ticket. They are speeding so fast.
Officer Louisiana, did you see the way Amin overtook Hassan in that chicane? Did you see that?
Ooh, boy, it was something straight out of the Daytona 500.
Oh no, stop the car, stop the race. This is very big emergency. I cannot take.
Looks like an emergency.
Look at the hurt, the pain. I cannot take it.
Yo, are you having a heart attack?
It is not hard, no, it is worse.
Are you having a stroke?
More bad, it is more.
Is it a diabetes situation?
Call the ambulance. Police, I have...
Medic! Medic!
Police, I have a paper cut.
Paper
Cut? Tell me about it. I think you heard it correctly.
If something so small, a paper cut, can bring you down, someone so brilliant to their knees, how strong are we really? Mr. Hassan, think about everything that you did.
I hurt Shireen, I hurt Mr. Amin, I hurt Hassan, I hurt everybody because of the arrogance.
Arrogance leads to the downfall. Not only do people hate being around people who are arrogant, it's arrogance that created Shaitan. Don't do it.
I mean, what do you think I can do now?
You've come this far, and I'm really happy with you. Mr. Hassan, finish the race.
Let's go, brother.
Wow, very good. Very good. Oh, thank you for this, Mr. Hassan. Come. Brother Amin, he is a fast one. So fast, mashallah.
You think so?
Oh my God, he's number one. Number one.
I bet I can beat him.
Subscribe and like to this video. If we get over 1,000 likes, inshallah, we'll create video number 2.